Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a TikTok video from your like list. So here I've already on my TikTok apps, and to remove the video that you've liked before, you just need to go to your profile and here click on this love icon on your profile. So these are the list of the video that I liked before, and to remove it you can just click on the video first, for example this one, and after that just click on the love icon on the video like this until it became white from right before. Then you can just go back and you'll see the video will be removed from your like list. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.